Happy Monday, Managing Collections. This is Ann. I'm just going to do a little short message this morning to make sure that we're all tucked in for our next assignment due on Saturday night. This is where we are going to respond to the professional reading of our classmates that was due this last Saturday. So like I said, I just want to make sure everybody's tucked in, make sure they understand how to respond to other people's reflections. So let's go ahead and take a look here. I'm going to click on, I'm in discussion board. We'll click there and I'll pick on Sarah since she's the first person up on my page here. So once we get into discussion board under the assignment, we're going to click on one of our classmates. You will read their reflection, and then all you have to do to reply to it is click this blue button down here and click reply. And then this is where you'll put your content. So I'll just put test down here to show. And then when you are ready to submit, you just go ahead and click here, submit. There is an option here to save draft. I would caution against that just in case we have some issues with Blackboard like Cynthia and I have talked about already. It's always a really good idea to type your comments, your paragraphs, whatever in Word first, and then copy and paste it into Blackboard just in case it's being a little finicky that day. So when, with that being said, when you're ready to submit, you just go up here and click the green button, submit. And you will get this little message that it was successful. When you are replying to someone else's reflection, remember that we want you to respond to one of their key points of learning or how they're going to integrate it into their library. And then you need to infuse something from your chapter, how it ties in from their new piece of learning or how they're going to use it, or something that you read that you think would be interesting and kind of piggyback on what they said. So that is part B of 4.3. And I just wanted to take a minute to talk about our assignment 4.4 that is due in a couple weeks on February 25th. Remember, this is where you're going to write a letter to support a new app or website for your school. We will send out a more detailed message with the criteria for this next week. But I just want to show you guys that in course materials, so when we click over here in course materials, we have a link to those, the best websites, best apps. So I'm going to just click here. I would strongly suggest that you start taking a look at these and become familiar with them, go to them, see how they work, decide which one you want to use. Like I said, we gave you a couple weeks in between your assignment due the 11th and then this one not being done, due until the 25th because it is a pretty meaty assignment. It's got a lot of components to it, and it is also going to be put on live text. So you're going to submit this not only to our discussion board, but you're also going to submit it to live text. So make sure you're getting in there and looking around and become familiar with the different apps and websites. So I hope everyone's Monday is going great, and like always, if you ever have any questions or just need something, get a hold of Cynthia or I through either email or you have our cell phone numbers, and we'll talk soon.